This tool is going to change the way we think and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI and it's far better than ChatGPT and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's get just into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ai. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information and the various things and the first options that you have to know about Perplexity. But before, let's know here and let's go over try Pro here. So we have here Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgraded EA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and APA credits. So we have your standard, starts for free, no credit card needed. And we have free forever here, continue with free, limited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity a model, optimize for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers also. And let's come back to the home and let's ask something here. For example, let's ask how to earn money, make money on Perplexity. And you can ask anything you want. So you click over here, then you will find these things. We have the first thing, how to make money on Perplexity here, and we have the first here, sources. So you can just click over here and we have here how to make money on Perplexity. We have the first thing here, how to make money with Perplexity for beginners in 2024. So this is one, we have it on YouTube. You can just click over it and you get your answer. Then we have here make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024 step by step. Also we have here YouTube. Then we have unlocking the potential earn money with Perplexity AI chatbot, Tulify.ea, as you can see. Then we have here 3 ways to make money with Perplexity AI in 2024. We have it on YouTube also. You have it 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity AI, EA business plans. So we have here EA business plans. Then we have the 6th one, it's how to automate Perplexity EA for passive income EA business plans. Then we have the 7th one, it's Perplexity AI chatbot, complete make money tutorial 2024. So it's YouTube here, and then we have here how does Perplexity.ai make money. I can't find anything about us. We have here Reddit. So you can choose the ones you want, the one you want, I mean. Then we have here answer. As you can see, here are some ways to make money using Perplexity.ai. We have the first one, it's script writing for YouTube video. We have proofreading and editing, fact checking, freelance research assistant, and we have create fast-less YouTube video. And we have here videos related, we have here questions related in the same thing here or in the same subject. Also here we have videos explain more and more and deeply how you can earn money on Perplexity. You can just click over it and know more information about how it works with Perplexity. Also about anything you asked about it, you'll find videos here and also images, as you can see, and you get started with Perplexity. So let's come back to the home. You have also here focus here. You choose webs and writing, academic, video, math, social. If you click over this one, you'll find just the subject that related in social. And also we have here healthiest cooking oils, tax savings ideas, best coffee shops to work from in Paris, and we have here market size of the creator economy. So on Perplexity you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory service. So for example, I will give you some examples and how you can get started on Perplexity. So on Perplexity you can make money by offering expert consulting and advisory services, job a well-crafted profile that attracts clients, monetize your expertise by providing valuable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. So for example, we have here Upwork.com. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients. Leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. Then we have the second one, which is LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. Then we have here selling educational content and develop high quality. So I will give you some examples. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche, offer these resources, draw Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for free, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So I will give you the first one, it's Udemy. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy. First, develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value, driving previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have here Amazon.com to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon. You have just published ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise, promote these materials or Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. Then I will give you the third step, which is developing and offering tools or apps. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps, create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionality, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So the first step is App Store. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store, create available and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have Product Hunt. So to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools on or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your Product Hunt launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So this is how it works with Perplexity and how you can earn money with Perplexity. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adoption. So this is how it works with Perplexity, and this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.